Today I'm going to show you how to use the cord rewind on a high velocity floor fan. Now, most high velocity floor fans that I've seen, well, the ones that are in Britain at least, have these little hooks at the back. This is the built-in cord rewind that's been welded on to the metal grill, and I'm going to show you how it's used. So first, turn the fan over onto its back. Then carefully wrap the cord round. Cord rewind. It looks easy. It looks hard to do on camera, but it's actually quite easy. However, you've got to be careful. So what you do, wrap it round carefully. This is very hard to do on camera, guys. Believe me though, in real life it's a lot easier. So what you do is you wrap the cord round in a loop style pattern. Round. And what I like to do, I like to keep the cord like that so it's less of a trip hazard. And then lift the fan back up. And now the cord's out of the way and it's less of a trip hazard. I mean, you can still catch yourself on the plug, but it's less of a hazard. So yeah. This is my second take of this. The first time it was not very easy, but I did a retake. Yeah. But just, although this has the cord, built-in cord rewind, still be careful with this plug because it can hurt you if you tread on it, as with any plug. But yeah, as you can see, when you're not using the fan, you can put it to the side. But we might need to use the fan again today, but we don't know yet. But yeah, well, it's not the best video in the world. I hope this did help you use the cord rewind on a high velocity floor fan. Thanks for watching and bye for now.